Okay. Hello students, my name is Noini Hmjui from IT High School Kohima and I will be teaching you maths. So today we will learn about chapter 3 from numbers up to 1000. Okay, so today we will learn what numbers really are and how do we use them. So we count things using numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let's do one example. So let me give you one example. Here, there are so many stars here. There are so many stars here. How do we know that how many stars are there? So only by counting, we will know how many stars are there. So let's start counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 9 stars here, and only by counting, we know that there are 9 stars here. So as we have already studied what numbers are, let's do one exercise. So can you fill in the blanks? So let's fill in the blanks. On the left column, we have to write in figures. In figures, that is in numerals. On the right column, we will write in words, which is number name. Okay, so the first three has been done for us. 99. So in words, we wrote as NINE, TINE, and DYNINE 99, 100, 100. And now the next one, 102. So how do we write this? You know that it is 102. So we write ONE1 HUNDRED 100 DWO2. Next, we have 104. So 104 again, ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and FOUR4. Coming to the next column, we have 151, which have already done for us. So that is 151. Next, we have 172. So how to write three-digit number here? So first read the hundreds place, which is 100. 100 and two digits together, the 72 digits together. Okay, so fill in the blanks. So let's fill in the blanks. On the left column, we will write in figures, which is in numerals. On the right column, we will write in words, that is their number name. So the first three has been done for us. 99, it is NINEDY 99. 100, so it is written 100. 101, it is done. So let's do 102. So how do we write 102? ONE1 HUNDRED 100 DWO2. Now next number is 104. So how do we write again? Just like that, 104. So you write ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FOUR4. Okay, the next column, we have 151. So here it has already been done for us. It is written 151. So let's do the next number, that is 172. So the three-digit number, how do we write? You first read the hundreds place, that is 100, 100. And then the two digits together, that is 72. So you write as first the 100 number, 100, and the two digits together, 72. So 172. The next number is that have done the right column, where on the left column it is blank. So we will do that one. So if you read the right column, it is written 108. Okay, 108. So 100, first write 100, it symbolizes by 108. So this is your 108. The next number is already done for us. Let's just read it out. So 194. So 194. ONE1 SUNDRED 100 NINEDY FOUR 194. So now how do we write 198? Yes, it is written as 198. only 100 first, and then 98, the two digits together, which is 98. So 198. So that is all about numbers. Now let's go to place value. So what is a place value? So a place value is a value of a digit based on a spot or place in a number. It depends on the place of a digit in a number. So this place value, it defines how much the digit is worth based on its place. So what I'm trying to say is like the number goes toward, as the number increases, it goes towards the left, and as it goes towards the left, the value increases. For example, like here, see. For example, like if we have, if you are asked to buy a chocolate using 5 rupees, okay, if you are asked to buy a chocolate using 5 rupees, how many chocolate will you get? Let's say munch. How much will you get? Obviously, you will get 1 munch, right? So this one will, like I said, like I have mentioned, a digit will be placed. It has this number will be placed in its own place. So it is placed on. It is placed on once. Okay, once, and you will get only 1 munch. But if you were given 10 rupees, if you were given 10 rupees, and if you are asked to buy a munch again, how many munch will you get? You will get 2 munch. Why? Because the number increases, and as the number increases, the value also increases. And just like I have mentioned, see, the number increases, so the numbers goes towards the left. The number goes towards the left. So 0 written on the ones place, 1 written on the tens place. So the bigger the number goes towards the left, and as it goes towards the left, the value increases. Another example, okay, if you are given 5 rupees, and by that 5 rupees, you are supposed to buy a sweets. How many will you get? Yes, you will get only 5 sweets. Okay, you will get only 5 sweets, and it will be placed in the ones place. Now, if you were given 10 rupees to buy a sweets, if you were given 10 rupees to buy a sweets, how many sweets will you get? Yes, 10 sweets you will get, which means the value increases. The value increases, so you are getting a bigger amount of sweets. So let's take another example, that is 100 rupees. If it is 100, how many sweets you will get? 100 rupees, because the number increases. The number increases, the value also increases. And as the number increases, like I have mentioned, do you remember, it goes towards the left. You see, once it is just 1 digit, it is placed in one's place. One's place. 2-digit number, it is placed on 2 placed. Ones and tens, and it goes towards the left. 100 more, again it goes towards the left. So here we learn that the bigger the number, it goes towards the left, and as it goes towards the left, the value also keeps increasing. So here again, another example here, 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All these 1 to 9 are 1-digit number, and so these 1-digit number are placed in ones place, placed in ones place. And so 9 plus 1 becomes 2. So 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. So 10 to 99 is a 2-digit number, and all the 2-digit number are placed in tens place. Placed in tens place. Now 99 plus 1. 99 plus 1, it becomes 100. So count the 100 here, the number here. 1, 2, 3, 3-digit, right? So all these 3 digits are 3 digits are placed in hundreds place. Okay, so now we have learned what numbers are, what are place value. Now let's discuss about some expanded form. So what is an expanded form? Here you can read here, sum of place value is called the expanded form. So the sum here means addition or plus. So the sum of a place value is called expanded form. So addition of all the place value. So the first example here is given 916. 916. How do you write this one in an expanded form? So the first one, you will always start from the rightmost number, that is your ones. Okay, so ones, 6 is in ones place, so multiply 6 by 1. 6 into 1 is 6. Now the next number is tens place. So 1 into tens place, so multiply with 10. So 1 into 10 is 10. Okay. Now the next number we have 9, and 9 is in hundreds place. So we will multiply with 100. So 9 into 100 is 100. So how do we write this? We will start writing from the hundreds place. Okay, so here see, 9 into 100 is 100. It is given there. So you start writing from 100. 100 plus 10 plus 6. So that is your 100 plus 10 plus 6 is your expanded form. Okay, so let's see another example. 767. Okay, 767. So here we will start from again 7. 7, the rightmost number, which is in ones place. Okay, so 7 into 1 is 7. Why? Because 7 is in one place. That is why we are multiplying it with 1. 7 into 1 is 7. Now the next number is 6. 6 in tens place. 6 is in tens place. So multiply with 10. So 6 into 10 is 60. Next we have 7. Again 7 again. But here 7 is in hundreds place. Now the 7 is in hundreds place. So multiply with 100. So 7 into 100 is 7. So how do you write again? 700 plus 60 plus 7. So expanded form is just simply a sum of a blessed value. Now talking about the expanded form, now let's come to short form. So how do you write short form? Short form is very more simple and more easier than the expanded form. So as you can see here, 900 plus 10 plus 6. So how do you write this in short form? You can see that 916 is already in a short form. Okay, so while writing in a short form, you have to remember that you will start from ones place again, ones place. Okay, so just like that, 6 is your ones place. So you first write 6, then comes 10. See, you see tens. Okay, so you count ones and tens. In that tens place, you have 1. So 1 will come next, that is in your tens place. Then 9. Okay, so 916 is the short form of 900 plus 10 plus 6. So short form is more easier. Another one here, 700 plus 60 plus 7. So here, as it is written, 767. So likewise, again, we will start from the ones place. We will start from the ones place. That is 7, then comes 6 in tens place, and 7 in hundreds place. So that is your short form of 700 plus 60 plus 7. So comparison of numbers here, we will learn about greater than, less than, and equal to. And so here, greater than, less than, and equal to. So here, let me tell you in a very interesting way. So let's just imagine one alligator, okay? The alligator. And this sign, the sign symbolizes, let's imagine that the sign is the mouth of an alligator. Okay, the first here it is greater than. The next one symbolizes less than, and the other one symbolizes equal to. So you can imagine that the signs are the symbol of the signs are the mouth of the alligator. Okay, so here what we're going to do is, using this sign, we are going to compare the numbers. And if you think, see, alligator always wants to eat the bigger number of fishes. Okay, just like you and I, we will always want anything which has a bigger number or has a bigger portion. So just like that, even this alligator also wants to eat a bigger number of fishes. So here, while you are comparing a number, you can imagine the numbers has the little ping of fishes, and the mouth and the sign has the mouth of the alligator. The mouth of the alligator will always cause the word always open towards the number which has a bigger number of fishes. Also, the one thing, see, the mouth will always open towards the bigger number of fishes, and the one method you have to remember, people always get confused. Most people get confused with the less than and greater than. So this the less than sign looks like an L. It starts with L, and the greater than sign also look like an L. So if it is look like an L, we read as less than. But if it doesn't look like an L, it is not a less than, it is a greater than. So let's do some exercises here. See, 12 and 8, okay? 12 and 8. So here, first you compare the numbers. Which one is greater? Obviously, 12 is greater. Now you can imagine the numbers as the little ping of fishes. You have 12 and you have 8. 12 fishes and 8 fishes. So like I said, the alligator mouth will be which side? Obviously, the alligator mouth will open towards the bigger number of fishes, that is 12. Okay, and this is read as 12 is greater than 8. Now, the another number is 216 and 228. So it has it has 3-digit number. Both sides has a 3-digit number. So if you compare the hundreds, again, both the sides have the same number, that is 2. Now you compare the tens. Compare the tens. Now on the left hand side you have 1, and the another number you have 2, which means 228 is greater. And the mouth is facing toward 228. Is facing toward 228. And if you see the sign, this looks like an L. So we read as 216 is less than 228. Another number, 345 and 321. So compare the number, which one has a greater number? So here again we have 341 is greater, and the alligator mouth or the open end is towards 345. So 345 is greater than 321, which we read as 345 is greater than 321. Now we have 406 and 403. So which number is greater here? 406. So here the sign is toward the open end is facing towards 406, and 406 is greater than 403. The last one, 857 and 777. So which number has a greater number? 857 is greater than 777. So that's all for today. Let's continue in the next class. See you in the next class.